How to download NVIDIA GeForce GT 730 graphic card drivers. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Go to Google Chrome and search official GeForce drivers NVIDIA. Click on the first website that pops up, which is the official website. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In product search, make sure you choose GeForce 700 series in product series. After that, you'll need to choose product. In product, you'll find all these options. Click on GeForce GT 730. To find your operating system, search for system information. In here, you'll find system type, which is below system model. You can see 64-based PC. According to that, you can choose your operating system. After that, scroll a bit down and then click on Start Search. From here, you can find your product and simply download it. To download, after download, go to Control Panel and then go to Device and Printers after searching it. In Device Manager, you will find Display Adapter. In that, double click and click on Update and update according to your preference. And that's how you download NVIDIA GeForce GT 730 graphic card drivers for Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.